Get away from the cookie cutter, not the same old, same old. Some fresh ideas seem to be in demand these days, and we have a builder who's doing just that, Neighborhood Builders. The neighborhood at 86th is our topic right now. Say hello to Chad Baker on my far right. Good morning, Chad.
Good morning, Mike.
Good to see you. He's with Iowa Realty. And Jennifer Reed is here, and she's the design coordinator for Neighborhood Builders. Jennifer, welcome.
Thank you.
And I guess fresh is the word that comes to mind. Great innovative ideas.
Yes, new ideas, you know, from the West Coast and the East Coast, bringing a lot of different styles, making sure that no two houses look the same from the curb or on the inside.
Excellent. None of those tired old floor plans. Thinking out of the box, Chad, is kind of what it's about here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a great neighborhood. We've got a lot of different floor plans, ranches, story and a halves, and 2 stories available. Plus, you can bring your own plan, and we will customize it from the ground up for you.
There's something else that's unique here, and that is that these are single-family dwellings, but they're part of an association with a very modest fee that takes care of some of the maintenance for you.
Yep, $75 a month. Mowing, snow removal, trash, irrigation. Everybody's yard's irrigated. It's a great deal.
Jennifer, some of these fresh ideas that we see in terms of architectural detail and colors and so on, that's your side of this, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's a big part of the house. When people walk in, even from the street, they need to really enjoy every detail of their home.
Well, and here's a great streetscape look at several homes, and as we say, no two alike. All the colors are fresh and different. Several different architectural styles represented on one quiet cul-de-sac with no through traffic. Mm-hmm. So this is truly unique. If there's an overused word, that's the one in our business, but I think we have it right here, the neighborhood at 86th. Before you get to Green Meadows would be a good way to describe it, right on 86th heading north, right?
Yep, and the prices are from $200 to $240. And then we also have our development in Waukee, Gracewood, on the water. Starts from $239 up to $400.
Very good. Chad Baker at our Iowa Realty Valley West office.
Yep.
Thanks. Good to see you.
You too.
Thanks, Mike.